Today being 4th November, we will be proceeding to see if ChatGPT is offering the Indian users ChatGPT Go free account. So I'm going to go on ChatGPT on I've already logged into the platform, and I'm going to go and click on ChatGPT over here and then click on upgrade. Click on personal and it says upgrade to Go special offer. I'm going to click on upgrade to Pro. It's getting my plan ready. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, we are on the payment page where it says that you can avail 1 year Go subscription completely free. However, you will be required to enter your card details or your UPI details, as that is the prerequisite to avail the free GPT Go account. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that, and in case you wish to avail the free ChatGPT Go subscription, then follow the same steps. See ya.